Something was happened in the dark, and the person responsible believes that you still don't know anything about it. So sit down and listen. And this message is going to be very intense and straightforward. So if you have the guts to listen to it, only then follow the message. Otherwise, I will advise you to step back from this video, because the energy of the primal mother of creation, the mistress of alchemy and transformation, is here. And the energy is no joke. Because whoever is listening this video, the very person, there is going to be very transformative energy upheaval where your energy is rising. You must be feeling this sudden warmth, fluttering, or cramps in your sacral chakra or your lower stomach. And this doesn't matter if you are a man or woman. We all have sacral chakra, and the place is where the womb also resides. That's her way for the energy cleansing, the purging to happen, because there are lot of blockages that were sent in your way. And I am telling you guys, don't take it as a joke, because the things that are getting disrupted, the things that are getting destroyed in your life, delayed, that are not just for you to assume. There is some kind of reality behind it. And I am seeing this image of person who is climbing the mountain, and my guides are speaking the seat of tantra, because her temple also sit at the top of Nilachal hills in the Assam. She represent the yoni, womb, the energy of creation, birth and manifestation. Something is bigger happening, guys, very bigger. You are about to create something, about to land on some kind of result of your manifestation. This period is nothing less than magical for you. Something is happening, and you could feel it in your body. You might be feeling like, crying out of nowhere, even if you are not feeling sad at all, or a surge of anger, and a deep sense of peace that follows afterwards. This is the purging. Your deep-seated emotions are coming out as a moment of release. The intense energy is flowing. Have you noticed what period is this? Because it is the monsoon period, and it is believed that the earth mother, the mother nature, undergoes her annual fertility cycle right now. Can you believe it? If you are a woman watching this, maybe your period cycle is in sync with mother, and the temple doors are closed for 3 days. The 3 days of, intense energy or spiritual energy to evolve. The power builds up in silence and darkness, and that is what happening within you. In those 3 days, no rituals are performed in the temple. And something about these coming 13 days that is significant for you. They are the power booster. My guides are saying power booster for you to manifest, to create. the blockages that were sent towards you from other people, because no one is happy watching you thrive when they are stuck in their own ways. Why will they see you achieving things? And let me tell you, there is some energy that is trapped in your sacral chakra that connected to mother's energy, and that is why this all transformation is happening, guys. That is why you are here sitting listening to this message out of nowhere, because you were called, and this is no joke. I had this vivid dream, and afterward I had to sit down and record this video, because what I saw was like, was literally shook me inward, because I just saw someone energy which was rising, and you might be like feeling restless a lot, or feeling like to sleep any chance you get. That is the restoration of energy after the purging. Your channels are clearing. All your channels are clearing right now. You are getting open to receive regardless of gender. You are getting open to receive all the things that you feel very guilty about, very embarrassed about, you feel very dirty about. Whatever you have inside of you that you are very embarrassed about, maybe it will rise on top. And my guides are saying, pay attention to your dreams. You might be seeing snakes a lot, deep water a lot, or some vivid dreams of people faces. Ma is literally helping you to see who has done what through your subconsciousness. You are getting those messages, and somehow your intuition already knows. And this is for not you to take revenge on those people, but this is for you to be aware of yourself and how to move ahead without giving away your power. Wow, I'm getting goosebumps. Let me invoke her energy, and let me just invoke my guides so that we could move ahead. And I'm going to pull cards, guys. Because I am telling you, some of you who joined here could be sadhaks. Okay, you must be like praising energies, or you must be relating to energies. If you are not someone who is a sadhak, or who just doing the energy work, let me tell you, your energy is rising no matter what. If you are doing something, that's okay, that means it is working. If you're not doing anything, that means your energy is rising, because your sacral chakra is connecting to the mother's energy, to the mother earth energy, because this time is very sacred. Every monsoon, mother earth goes into her annual fertility cycle, let me tell you, and she represents womb. She represents the creation. What does mom want to say? Guys, believe in the darkness and the silence. Believe it. something about energy rising from your sacral chakra and connecting to your third eye chakra, flowing through your chakras toward your third eye chakra. And let me tell you, the card that you got was Kaladhara. So, Ma Kamakhya is the manifestation of the energy of Ma Kali, one of the manifestation of the energy of Ma Kali. And my guides are saying that all the disruption will lead you to inner peace in some way. Someone might try to trigger you. You don't have to react. It will only deplete your power and energy in any kind of situation. 11:11 on the clock. Don't try to react or get triggered easily. Here is the truth. Watch this card very clearly. That's you. And you are in the safest hand in the whole universe. And you know who is holding you right now. And my guides are saying, noticed how the hands is lifting the baby towards this power, this light. And that's how you are getting higher. Your vibrations are getting higher. 9 plus 2, 11. You should wear Rudraksh if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Not compulsory. And I'm going to tell you some remedies that you could do to block away any energy or lingering negative energy from your space. That is, take a clean bowl and add some water in it. Okay? And add any kind of red flower. It could be hibiscus or any kind of red flower. If you don't have any flower, take the red sandalwood paste and add it in that water. And then go towards your entrance and pour the water on it by saying, I clear all the negative blockages from my life. Do you get my point? And second thing you could do is you could take what we call it camphor balls or any kind of incense and burn it and carry it through your house, clearing any kind of lingering negative energy or nazar or evil eye from your house. It is time for you to clear your space and create new space for the manifestation, the creation energy to come within. Fourteen on the clock. Wear more red, and I was about to say red, and I just saw this card. So, Ma Chamunda, something that you fear the most. It could be anything. It could be anything that you fear the most, that you don't want to face, is going to come. Not because universe has some personal frustration towards you. No, because that fear has to be removed. And it is going to happen in silence and darkness. Let me tell you. Before this energy reaches your third eye chakra, clearing away all the blockages, the mother is going to clear your fears too. And this period is so significant, let me tell you. So significant. And I didn't record this on camera, but the card which was on top, which was this, it floated like literally this way, whole. And I was like, what's happening? Okay, so let me pull out some more cards. The vibration is so high in this room that I am feeling goosebumps and chills all over. I am telling you, the people who landed on this video, you kind of like manifesting or attracting energies or working with energies in some kind of way. The people who did you dirty, let me tell you, you don't have to worry about it at all, because karma is at the play. And whatever it is going to be solved by itself. You don't have to like step in. There is nothing for you to do in this situation, because everything that is going around, it is going to like literally give you goosebumps. And the person who was thinking, who was responsible for all of this, all of the blockage that is happening in your life, they must be thinking like you don't know anything about, but you are going to know in the coming days who that person is, very specifically, in some kind of way. The nature will speak itself to you, show you the indications, give you the signs. Offer sindoor or crimson powder. Specifically, it could be sandalwood crimson powder to Ma's feet. If you don't have any temple or her idol nearby, you could literally offer into your altar or sacred space. And there is a very high energy present right now, because my ear literally got the feminine energy in you guys is rising, and not in a bad way. Even if you are a masculine watching this, we all have feminine and masculine energy. The feminine energy rising means it is like clearing away all the blockages, the empty blockages that were like resisting your growth. It is all clearing. You might feel your ear ringing, because my ear is ringing right now very, very fast. I always record my videos. Why I said my energy? I always record my videos during midnight, but today's energy is like literally so charged in some kind of way. Let me tell you. Ma Baglamukhi, you are protected, guys. You are protected, and you could visit to any hill area or near mountains in the coming months or coming weeks. because I saw someone climbing mountain. Your personal struggles are getting lifted. There she is, Mahakali. She is here. Number 16, 6 plus 1, 7. If you could, please present or offer the lotus flower to Ma. And what I just saw here, see, I told you about crimson bowl ritual, and this is similar to that. But my guides are saying be aware of your temptations. Don't give in to your temptations, because I'm feeling someone's darkness. Someone fears that word trapped inside in their sacral chakra will come out, and it could like literally scare you. For a moment, it will scare you. Your deepest rooted fears. It could be something that you don't want to like face on. But after that, a feeling of calmness will follow. Like you have released something. Yeah, my guides are saying witching hour. You could be must be waking between 3 or 4 a.m. My guides are speaking through, they are saying sadhaks. So some of you must be sadhaks. You must be doing sadhanas. Or if you are not, that I told you, your energy is rising already. There is this mantra that you could chant or listen to that is available on YouTube. I will pin it in the comment section. Please do listen to it. If you are preparing for something, if you have any secret of your growth, don't discuss it with anybody. Like keep it secret. Keep it to yourself. You could cry, like literally cry. You might cry during this video or afterwards by some accident, like small accident, like something which like literally provoked you or triggered you, and you will cry a lot, because I am feeling like literally crying right now. And also um be aware of, you know, gossip. Don't involve in any kind of gossips. That is not for you. It is a kind of trap for you. I will take one more card. My guides are saying take one more card. 13 days, guys. Something about 13 days. Something about you clearing your space for new energy to enter, because this period is very, very significant, guys, for you. Next 13 days, let me tell you. And if you have made to this part of the video, congratulations, because now you are in the team of spiritual army. Now you are protected. Now you are in the lead of the spiritual army. So make sure that you join, because I say that whoever is watching this is the part of the spiritual army that we are creating on YouTube. Not only we are just evolving here, we are also creating like this circle where people are literally rising their energies by relating to the messages. So that's it. Make sure that you subscribe and join the family. Make sure that you comment down what you are feeling. And my guides literally just said some of you might experience stomach issues or sudden headache. Okay, that was random. But if that related to you, that means it meant for you. And take what resonate and leave the rest. Don't force apply anything. And what else I wanted to say is that be aware of the impersonators, because I will never ask you for money, I will never ask you for personal reading or one-on-one contact in comment section or any other platform. I only have one channel, so be aware of that. And we are going to invoke Ma Kamakhya, Mother's nature energy, in the comment section today to bless us, to remove all the lingering negative energy from our space, for the creation to flow into our life. With that, I will take leave. Take care of the energy. Continue to rise and continue to be the part of our spiritual army. I will see you in the next video. Kamakhya Namostate.